Asparagus casserole made with fresh asparagus is creamy and rich with a crunchy fried onion topping. Start by melting 4 tablespoons of butter in a large pan. Add 2.5 pounds of asparagus that you have trimmed and cut into 1-inch pieces, an 8-ounce package of white mushrooms sliced, and half a medium onion diced. Cook for about 6 minutes. Sprinkle a 1/4 cup of flour over the vegetables and cook and stir for 1 to 2 minutes. Then gradually stir in 1 1/4 cups of milk and cook until thickened. Reduce heat to low and mix in a 1/2 cup of mayo, a 1/2 cup of sour cream, a 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a 1/2 cup of shredded Swiss cheese, a 1/2 teaspoon salt, a 1/2 teaspoon lemon pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon paprika. Remove from heat. Crush about 1/3 of a 6-ounce can of French fried onions and mix into the asparagus mixture. Transfer to a greased casserole dish, sprinkle remaining fried onions on top, and bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. This creamy casserole makes a wonderful holiday side dish or addition to Sunday supper. Full recipe at spicysouthernkitchen.com.